This is the whipped back stitch, and it creates this really cool candy cane like effect with your stitching that's coiled around itself. So how do you do that? You start off by stitching the back stitch. So with that, we come up from the back of the fabric and we make a short little stitch backwards, about 1/4 of an inch. And we come up from the back again, about 1/4 of an inch away, and go back down in the hole of that last stitch there. When you do that first one, you have to make sure not to catch your knot on the back. But we'll just keep going, leave a space, go back down in the hole of that last stitch. So we see a little indent where our stitches connect here. And this is the base for our whipped back stitch. A few stitches here just so we can really see how this stitch will look. So let's add in one more. All right, so let me knot this off on the back here. All right, got that thread taken care of. Now we're going to introduce a second color here to whip around our stitches. And we do that by bringing our needle up in the hole of that first back stitch right here. And we want to slide our needle underneath that stitch and pull our thread through. And then we go over to the next stitch and slide from the same direction and pull that through. So now our thread is wrapping around those back stitches. So again, slide it underneath, pull our thread through, and we'll keep working down our line here. We want to make sure to slide underneath every back stitch, always going in the same direction so it creates that coiled effect. And when we're done, we go back down in the hole of that last back stitch there, just like how we started. And that's our whipped back stitch.